What's up, guys, and welcome back to Nick's All American TV. Today we're doing something dangerous. We're going to document all of Kathy's deficiencies and issues that she has from bumper to bumper. And before you ask, we ain't turning wrenches. Number one reason being, I am flat broke. So we're going to go through and we're going to make a list of everything that needs to be fixed on Kathy to make her perfect and to make her right. Y'all stay tuned. What's up, guys? This is Kathy, my 06 Z71. And today, because I'm broke, I'm tired, and I'm poorly caffeinated, we're going to walk around Kathy and point out everything that's wrong with her, kind of like a field trip. Let's get it. So, I know what you're saying, right? You're sitting here and you're saying that, well, Nick, that's Kathy's good-looking truck. And you're right. I mean, from about 10 feet away, parked up at the old tavern in the middle of the night, a fella would be like, shh, that's your rig? Yeah, that's my rig. Yeah, that's mine. Man, she look good. Don't go looking close. So let's get walking around on this. I'm going to walk around on Kathy. We'll do a full exterior walk around, find all the blemishes, and then we'll start working our way in. But we're going to start right up, front and center, working with Kathy. Now, you'll notice things with Kathy, like we have busted pieces of plastic. I'm going to tell you a little secret. This grill right here, if you look up in that grill, like right along in here, you can't really see it, but it's professionally reattached, not so much like here where all the glue's hanging out at, but kind of over in this area. It's been professionally reattached. Now, some of the other issues that we're having is if we look at our body line on our light, on above and below. So the grill's busted, needs a little bit of work on the grill. This headlight's just hanging on for dear life. I mean, it's there, so that's a win. And they're fogged up and hazed over like they ain't been new since dial-up internet was invented. And we need to get some more hood insulation on it. You can see that we've had some weather get a hold of it. As we continue to look down the whole side of it, and we're coming down through here, we can see that the tires they're holding air. Don't mind the dry rots or cracks or anything, and as we're making our way down the side of it, we got a little dent right here where my finger's at. There's another little dent right there. We got some paint cracking. That's cracking right there. Tell you, these back tires, they don't even match the front, but again, it's holding air, so we're not really gonna question a whole lot there. Working our way around here to the back. We already know from our previous videos that we need some new tailgate bushings put in back here, and our tail lights are expertly installed with only one screw on both of them, because what you do to one side, we got to do the other. See, we got one screw in here and no screw down there. We got some rough spots in the paint. And I mean, it's not perfect, so if you kind of notice, like, there's a little bit of rust kind of down in here, not so much over here, but down along the bottom down here, I guess. I mean, you can see the road rashing. You know, you can see the road rashing on it, how bad that's all chewed up. So Kathy's definitely in need of some work and some help here. Let's see if we have any more dents. I know there's one, and there's one right here, a little door ding right here. This little door ding right here. And coming back up here, we can see just how sad those tires really look. But okay. Now, Kathy's interior, well, she's seen more wear and tear than a few of them lizards that be walking around the truck stop parking lot. Her seams in her seats and her carpet is holding together about as well as the seams on my own britches stretching around my big butt. So we're definitely going to have to get in here and do some things with this interior to get her whipped back up into shape and make it look pretty good. So looking in the interior here, you know, as we're looking around this interior and we're looking at things, it all looks pretty good, you know, and it's all kind of sort of there-ish. I mean, it's got a few issues, got some things cracked and, you know, some seats torn, and there's a little bit of a tear up here. Not really so much down here, but definitely up in here there's some tear. The plastic's a little cracked, not really so much right in here, but you know, over here we got a little crack we gotta kind of clean up. Ooh, we got some good looking floor mats. Boy, look at the difference between where that floor mat was and where it's not. You guys can see the dinginess of the carpet and all that. In the back here, it's all pretty well good together. The back's actually pretty clean. The carpet's, you know, still kind of stained. We can see there. Somebody definitely had the little rugrats running around. But we need to get some cleaning and stuff. Now, one of the things that I want to do is I want to redo this headliner, but I want to redo it in camouflage. So, hey, look, fellas, you know, I'm going to tell you right now, if you happen to know anybody that's does any kind of interior work or anything like that, you know, hook a fella up. Maybe I might be able to do something. So anyway, going back into the interior, like I said, it's all stained and dirty and messed up. We're gonna have to fix all that. We got lights missing out of door panels here. All of our lights are missing in some of them. See, like that one over there is missing as well. Yeah, she is not perfect. Well, guys, now that we've done an overall walk around on the exterior of the truck, let's pop down underneath and see what surprises she has in store for us down there. I'll see y'all in just a second. Oh, hey there. Glad to see you underneath here. Well, looking up underneath the truck, we're going to look over our suspensions, ball joints. We got a problem. I guess it's not really a problem per se, but that can lead to be a problem. Okay, whatever. We'll go with it. Sure. Yeah, looking up underneath here, I'm not seeing any major leaks or anything. Not seeing anything really major or significant. Oh, we got a leaky oil filter. It might have something to do when I accidentally stepped on it and I might have popped it before I put it in. Don't do that. Drive shafts are all looking good. Exhaust is in, nothing's missing there. You know, fellas, what Kathy really needs is a set of cutouts down here. We need to put a set of cutouts down here. All in all, though, everything looks pretty good. Ball joints look pretty good. Everything's greased. Nothing's loose or missing any bolts. I don't see any major leaks. So what's up, guys? I'm just sitting here going over this list that we made with Kathy through our look over our inspection and going over a few things. She got some dents. Yep. She got some leaks. A little bit. Are we going to fix any of it? Nope. Is it probably a bad thing and do we need to fix it? Yep. But I don't think we're going to. Not today anyway. Well, guys, I think that's going to do it here for me and here at Dick's All-American TV. I think that's going to wrap up our inspection of Kathy. I hope you guys maybe saw something, and like I said, it's not always about getting out there and turning a wrench and fixing something. Sometimes it's just about getting out there and doing the reconnaissance work to be able to get your rig up and running. Till next time, guys, y'all make sure to stay safe, keep the shiny side up and the greasy side down. You got the one airborne, we'll catch you on that turnaround.